we have witnessed Imbuto experiencing a spectacular growth of their programs under the visionary leadership of Her Excellency, the First Lady, Madame Janet Kagame, from implementing a couple of programs to adopting a multi-layered and multi-sectoral approach to tackle and address the most complex challenges facing Rwandan youth and other underprivileged and underserved communities. The word that comes to mind when I think of it, Imbuto Foundation and its work, is inspiring. Rwandans empowering Rwandans. Take time to celebrate the incredible impact you've created, and then redouble efforts as there is so much work that still needs to be done. Continue to be an inspiration for the organizations, the communities, the people you support, as well as partners. Continue the unwavering leadership to paving the way for the youth, not only in Rwanda, but across the African continent.